Okay, so we are back here and we're gonna go ahead and move to session 4. We just finished session 3. So we're gonna go ahead and continue from here and it should move us to that. So here we're on SQL Lesson 4, filtering and sorting query results. Even though the data in a database may be unique, the result of any particular query may not be. Take our movie table, for example. Many different movies can be released the same year. In such case, SQL provides a convenient way to discard rows that have a duplicate column value using the distinct keyword. So here's an example. Select query with unique results. Select distinct column, another column from my table, where condition, and then we would meet the condition. Since a distinct word can be blindly remove duplicate rows, we will learn in a future lesson how to discard duplicates based on specific columns using grouping and the group by clause. Ordering results. Unlike our neatly ordered table in the last few lessons, most data in real databases are added in no particular column order. As a result, it can be difficult to read through and understand the results of a query. As the size of a table increases to thousands or even millions of rows. To help with SQL provides a way to sort your results by giving column in ascending or descending order using the order by clause. And here's an example. Select column, another column from my table where condition order by either ascending or descending. When order by clause is specified, each row is sorted alphanumerically based on the specified column's value. In some databases, you can also specify collection to better sort the containing international text. It goes more into the order by, then we're using the limit and offset. And I can give you some more examples of that. Yep, so we're gonna go ahead and move on and won't bore you guys by reading. So here we are again, SQL. We're doing the SQL boat. We're on lesson 4 right now, and we're gonna go over this task and exercise. Okay, it says there are a few concepts in this lesson, but are pretty straightforward to apply. To spice things up, we've gotten and scrambled the movies table for you in the exercise to better mimic what kind of data you might see in real life, which is good. So we have different titles, directors' years, and length of the movie. It already starts us with select all from movies again. Okay, so the first one, it says list all directors of the Pixar movies alphabetically without duplicates. So they want some clean data. Again, we'll select from the movies again, and we will start here on this one. We're gonna go ahead and go use the distinct because that was the first one they wanted us to distinct. Okay, so actually if we're gonna use that, we will remove, so we're gonna keep select, and instead of all, we're gonna use the word distinct. Just making sure I'm spelling it right. I think it's supposed to be all caps as well. So select distinct, and then in this case director. That's what we're doing, director. So if I just left it like this, we're just getting directors, but over here they said list all directors of the Pixar movies alphabetically. Okay, so we still need to add that order. Let me just capitalize director. So from movies, and then we're gonna go with where. So normally the ones you want to capitalize or whatever the, like select or from or where, the statements, then director, and then distinct, because that's also a keyword. Director doesn't really have to be all capitalized, but I did on there. No, I'm just putting director. Like, we're going to go ahead and use that wow card here again. That should all be capitalized. Like, you want that inside of a. Because I want to. So like, and then the order, right? Because they want alphabetic order. Was SAC. Yeah, I was think of this one without duplicates. Don't forget to say director, because that's who we're trying to. And see what I did over here. So you have Andrew, Brad, Brenda, Dan, John, Lee, Pete, all alphabetically ordered. That's what they wanted it listed. And again, the question was list all directors of Pixar movies alphabetically without duplicates. Want to look at something here. So if you're stuck or not sure, or if you want to see like what would be what they would suggest, you can also look at the solution. I'm gonna check the solution real quick on this one. Okay. So on here, the last 4 Pixar movies release order from most recent to least. So this one had 4, right? So this one is this one. Now we're working on this one. List the first 5 Pixar movies sorted alphabetic order. So in this one, what we can do is we will give it 5, and we will say, they said alphabetically. So list the first 5 Pixar movies sorted alphabetically. Oh, and it's not listed alphabetically because we want title. Bad. That's what I wanted alphabetically. So select title. They just wanted title and year, so we're giving it title, but they wanted this alphabetically. So, and they just wanted 5 of them. So that's what we did. List the next 5 Pixar movies sorted alphabetically. So now they want the next 5 movies listed alphabetically. So I say select from movies. Let's see that there. Let's try rearranging this to what we want. And then where, year, okay, because we want it to be the first ones. So we're gonna use. I was looking back at the other one. So on this one is select let's go back. So we're gonna be specific. We're not gonna say all. So we're gonna select, on this one, we're gonna select the title. Remember that we're selecting from, let me try to point stuff here. Title, director. Remember, these are our titles of our different columns. So we're gonna go ahead and use title. To select from title, but we're also gonna be selecting the year. Right, so now it adds a year, and we're gonna add another column. Nope, I think that's it. So then we're getting the title, the year, and then we're gonna go ahead and order ascending. Order by title. The title is the one that needs to be so let's select title, year, from movies, order by title, ascending, and then we're gonna give it a limit and an offset. Sorry, I still want this all to be caps. 5 and 5. An offset of. So you could still do a lowercase and it would be fine, but I just like to make caps. And it's a colon. Alright, so the fourth task here was to list the next 5 Pixar movies sorted alphabetically order. So we have the title and the year. We're selecting from title from the movies table, and then we're ordering it by the title in an ascending order. And then because they said the 5, we give it a limit of 5, and we say basically an offset of 5. And that's it for lesson 4, guys. Hopefully it was helpful. Bye for now. Thank you.